What's up, Bitcoin bosses? If you're firing up this video, you're probably glued to your charts like the rest of us, wondering if BTC's about to launch us all into millionaire status, or if it's just another fake-out in this wild 2025 bull run. Check this beast out, straight from Binance on October 28th, 2025, with Bitcoin Perpetual USD at a rock-solid $114,946, up 0.17% over the last 24 hours. That's over 10 million INR if you're feeling exotic. But for us Yanks, it's pure American dream fuel. Trading volume exploding at 103 million BTC, swapped for a massive 11.81 billion USD. Market caps north of 2.3 trillion, and with ETFs sucking in cash like a Vegas slot machine. This ain't your grandma's dip. It's the prelude to a symphony of gains. Dive into those candlesticks. Squad, green hammers and dojis are stacking up like victory laps after that savage October 19th plunge from $116K highs to $113K lows. Prices grinding above the 7-period EMA at $114,400 and $40 like a stubborn bull refusing to quit. With the 25 at $113,100 and $83.50 at $112,100 and $14 forming your ironclad support bunker. The 100 EMA at $112,163 and 200 at $113,011. They're the launchpad. We've already knifed through them, eyeing that 24-hour high of $114,900 and $46 like it's candy. But keep it real. Those violet Bollinger Bands are hugging tight from $105,711 to $102,824, hinting at a volatility chill before the storm. A clean smash above the upper band. That's your bat signal for an explosion we last saw when Trump tweets lit the fuse back in January. Drop to the RSI, clocking 67.75 on the 14 period. That's bullish territory without tipping into overbought madness. Like BTC's revving its engine at a green light. It's screaming room to run, after flirting with oversold in that mid-month scare. Perfect for whales to load up without the retail panic. Volume's the unsung hero here. Those Navy spikes blasting to 32 million units, dwarfing the 5-period MA at 16.7 million and 10 at 18.7 million, with sustained buys that feel like institutional armor plating. And MACD. DIF at 1.045 edging over DEA at 1.203. MACD line at minus 75.24. Histograms curling positive. Divergence popping like fireworks. Whispering momentum's flipping bullish any second now. No cap on this chart. Bitcoin's not stumbling. It's strutting through a bull market that's got alts quaking and your portfolio sweating. We've clawed from that brutal $78K February gut punch to this $114K perch. Timeline from October 19th, 27 showing the setup for a November nuke. Realistic AF. Yeah, one Powell pivot or election echo could yank us back to $110K support. But with ETF inflows hitting record highs and having scars fading, this is 2025's glow-up. Utility on steroids, not 2021 vaporware. BTC price prediction. From $114K to moonshot, what's next for the orange coin? All right, let's cut the fluff and map this rocket's flight path. Dialed in for you freedom-loving traders stateside, dodging IRS vibes while stacking those sats. Short-term, next 14 days into mid-November. We're coiling at $114K, $116K, jabbing at that $115K resistance like a boxer smelling blood. If volume cranks past 100M daily and RSI holds without wilting, we blast to $118K, $120K by November 15th. That's a crisp 3 to 5% flip, prime for your quick-hit plays before holiday shopping sprees. Fast forward to December 31st, 2025. Hold onto your trucker hats, with spot ETFs gobbling 200K plus BTC quarterly, BlackRock leading the charge, and Fed cuts juicing liquidity like cheap gas. I'm pegging $160K, $180K year-end. Van X calling $180K on post-halving fireworks. Standard Chartered's locked at $200K with whale hoarding. And Finder's panel averages $145K, but with bulls eyeing $250K if Trump-era regs greenlight a national reserve. We've already tagged $126K ATH in October. This consolidation's just the wind up for a 40 to 60% bag booster. Bear trap, if yields spike or BTC belches below $110K. We floor at $105K per coin codex, rebounding to $130K like CoinDCX forecasts. But bull odds, 70% shot at $175K if November's the jackpot month per Coinpedia's on-chain glow-up. Stretch to 2026, $200K, $300K base case. Easy, think ETF maturation, corporate treasuries, MicroStrategy 2.0, and global remittance rails going full orange pill. Standard Chartered's ramping to $300K on supply shocks. Van XATH window into late 26. And Bernstein's $200K early year call if policy delivers. Downside, bear market whispers to $100K mid-year per some Reddit realists. But that's your dip buy paradise before the next leg to $400K plus by 2027. Kathy's $1 million by 2030. Wild but with nation-state adoption. It's not crazy. 2026 is the bridge. Heads up, not advice, fam, DYOR. Size your bets and set those stops tighter than a New York minute. But if you're hodling through these signals, you're geared for the greatest show on earth. Smash like if you're all in on $150K plus. Sub for raw chart dissections. And drop your target in comments. $120K or straight $200K. Let's chop it up. Stay sovereign, stack sats.